Facing the "a problem repeatedly occurred" error in Safari on your iPhone, it can be really frustrating. This issue is usually caused by software bugs, network problems, or corrupted data. Don't worry, I've got the steps to help you fix it. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Restart Safari. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find Safari in the list of open apps. Swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Restart your iPhone after that. Reopen Safari and check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and find Safari Browser. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your action by tapping Clear History and Data. This will help remove any corrupted data causing the error. Solution 3. Check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or vice versa to see if the problem is resolved. Solution 4. Disable extensions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and find Safari. Scroll down. Tap Extensions. Disable any extensions that are enabled to see if one of them is causing the issue. Solution 5. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating iOS can fix bugs and improve compatibility with apps like Safari. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then tap Reset all settings. This will reset your settings but won't delete your data. You may need to reconfigure Wi-Fi and other settings afterward. That's it. You should now be able to fix the "a problem repeatedly occur" error in Safari on your iPhone. If the issue persists, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.